Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know me, my name is Poloko Ntamehlo and I am the owner of this channel together with my 3 little babies. Welcome to the channel. If you don't know me, oh well, I'm here now. Guys, please do follow me on Instagram at Poloko_Ntamehlo and do let me know that you followed me from Instagram to YouTube or YouTube to Instagram. In this video, guys, I have a campaign from Purity and I don't know how I'm feeling about it. Yeah, I'm happy about it. I'm happy about it, even though I'm finding campaigns a bit, you understand, I'm finding them a bit draining. I'm really happy that I'm getting them, but yeah, it can be really draining. So in this vlog, like I said, I'm just gonna show you guys the Purity campaign I got, and another thing is my baby's birthday. It's my baby's birthday. She is turning that big 5 and she's really excited, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the closing of the vlog. Bye guys. Hello Sissy. Hello mama. Hello. Hello mama. Kona. 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 Konana. Konana. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, mama. Happy birthday to you. Come, wakey. Come. I know you want to sleep. Come, baby. Let's go. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Open. You don't want to sing for your sister?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Connor. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray!
Happy birthday.
Go in. Fix your dress. Fix your dress. Wait. Come. Go in. Hello. We're actually celebrating her birthday.
Ooh, whose birthday is it today? How old are you turning? 5. Are you in the big school already? Guys,
Thank you.
I'm quickly going to check who's here with you guys and call the waiter quickly for you.
Thank you. Boida. Hmm? Smile! Smile! Happy birthday, Kawewe! Happy birthday, Kana!
Happy birthday, Konana.
Happy birthday, dear Kona. Happy birthday to you. Una one, I go. Una two, I go. Una three, I go. Una four, I go. Una five, yeah!
Hip hip.
But this girl is taking. It's okay. What's this? These are the patty packs for school. Let me show you. These are the patty packs. The snakes, the what, the ice cream, they will stick there. Yo guys, I can't open now, we are late. So this is what I'm taking to school. This one also. The cake, where's the number 5? Where's the number 5? With this number 5.
5 years old.
Hmm?
And this is a 5 for 5.
Yes, 5 or 5 years old. When what do you say to Connor?
Happy birthday, Connor.
Hi, Bo. Stand here.
Happy birthday, Connor. Thank you.